Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. If you are new, welcome to my page. I really hope that you enjoy this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. So today I just wanted to film like a really quick get ready with me because I'm actually going out to the city for a brunch with my girls, and it is finally springtime in New York. Like, it's like 60 something degrees outside, nice and sunny. I'm bringing out the jeans jacket, bringing out the coral lippy. So yeah, so if you want to see how I achieved this look, continue to watch. So lately I've been really liking doing my eyes before I do my face. I don't know why, but I feel like it comes out a lot better. But I'm just priming my eyes with the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 360. So I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Nude palette, and I forgot to show which shade I used for the transition shade, but it's Teddy. And I'm just applying that in my crease area. First I'm like stamping it in, and then I'm going to swirl it around in like back and forth motions and really build that color up. And next I am taking Raw, and I'm just going to deepen the crease, same way, tap it in and then blend that out. And for my lid, I am using the shade Play. It's like a very soft peach yogurt kind of color, very pretty. And I'm just gonna pat that onto my lid. It was starting to become like a little patchy, so I like really had to like work and blend that out. But other than that, it came out like, it came out pretty good. Now I'm going back in with the shade Raw, and I'm just going to add more depth to the crease. It kind of did get lost with the lid shade, so I want to make sure that everything is blended well together. So now I'm just going to line my eyes, nothing crazy. I'm not going to like wing it out or anything. I just want to be able to hide my lash band when I do put lashes on. But this is the BH Cosmetics liquid eyeliner, and I really like it. Like, it's more like of a cushion tip rather than like a felt tip. And sometimes with like the felt tips, I don't know, they kind of dry out fast to me. But yeah, this cushion one, the cushion applicator, it's actually really nice. I'm gonna continue to play around with it. Hopefully it doesn't switch up on me, but so far I like it. And now I'm just using the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara, and I was going to hop into lashes, but I kind of wanted more to my eyes, so I'm using the ColourPop Ladybird Super Shock Shadow, and I'm just popping that onto my eyelid. Okay, time for lashes now. So this is the Eyelure Definition Lash. I don't know if it has like a specific name. On the box it says number 126, so that might be it. But I absolutely love these lashes. They're like very wispy. They give you that winged effect, and they're just really flirty, so cute. Absolutely one of my favorites. So now that my eyes are semi-complete, I'm going to move on to my face, and I'm just priming with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. So now I'm going to color correct with the Maybelline correcting pen, and this is in the shade Apricot. And once you start color correcting, like, you cannot stop. Like, it makes such a big difference in my makeup routine. It just gives me like that flawless canvas before I start painting my face. So for foundation, you already know, I don't even have to say it, but I'm gonna say it. The Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r foundation in the shade 385, and I'm just going to rub that out with my finger and then go in with a blending sponge. I mean, but yeah. I'm sorry, I just get so tongue-tied sometimes making these videos. Just bear with me, okay? It's like 9 a.m. in the morning, trying to finish this video. Yeah. And for concealer, I'm going in with the same concealer that I used to prime my eyes, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Concealer in the shade 360. This is like hands down my favorite concealer right now. The one after this is the Too Faced Born This Way Jackie Aina collaboration. And I've tried like the Maybelline Fit Me, I think that's what it's called. The Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, the LA Girl Pro Concealer, like none of them match up to the Fenty concealer though. Like I really do love this concealer. In my opinion, the thing that separates the Fenty Beauty concealer from the Too Faced Born This Way concealer is its consistency. Like the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, it's a bit watery. So like, you know, you really have to wait for it to dry down. And if you didn't know, like when you apply concealer and like you let it sit and dry down, it adds more coverage. And I feel like you don't have to do that with the Fenty Beauty. And not to make it sound like the Fenty Beauty is thicker, because it is thicker, but I don't want you to confuse that with being cakey, because the Fenty Beauty is not cakey at all, which is a great thing because nobody wants to be cakey, okay? And now I'm just going to contour using the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Truffle. And I'm just going to contour my cheekbones, my jawline, and this 5 head. And now you guys could watch this flawless blend out, listening to this smooth jazz, okay? So watch this beat. Alright, so now time to set everything in place. And I'm going to set my my concealer with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, which is one of my favorites. Like, I just can't stray away from these things. I try other products and I just come back. Like, these are just my top products and I just love them. Okay, so I'm not that bad, you guys. Like, I do fall in love with new products that I try, and this is one of them. This is the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, light to medium, and I used the 2 dark shades to set my contour, and I just love the warmth that it gives me. Like, this is such a beautiful palette. And now I'm just taking a big powder brush and blending all of those powders together. And now I'm going in with the middle shade to lightly contour my nose. I remember in one of my previous videos, I used a cream contour to contour my nose, and I was like, absolutely not. No, I'm sticking with my powders. Like, I'm a powder girl for nose contour, okay? And now I'm just setting my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And to finish off my eyes, I'm grabbing the Colored Raine Queen of Hearts palette, and I'm taking the shade Crown and I'm just going to run that along my bottom lash line. And I wish I knew what I did with my white eyeliner, because I wanted to use a white eyeliner first and then go on top with that shadow. But yeah, it's small details like these that really add so much more to your makeup look. And now I'm using the Total Temptation mascara by Maybelline to coat my bottom lashes. And now to add some more detail, I'm going in with the MorphexJaclynHill Armed and Gorgeous palette, and I'm taking this yellow shade called Access, and I'm going to pack that into my inner tear ducts. Then I'm going in with this shimmer shade Guilt Trip, and I'm going to pack that right on top. And now time for blush, and if you guys didn't know, I love me some Milani baked blushes, and this is in the shade Rose d'Oro number 02. Such a pretty pink, and it complements my eyeshadow so well. And I'm going back in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and I'm going to be setting my eyebrows with the NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel. And my eyelash definitely looks clocked right there, but you know what? I can't bother. Anyway, I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit, and I'm using the shade Marshmellow. And when I tell you, I was so nervous because it looks white. It is white, like it's white. But it gives a very gold iridescent color, and that really complemented my inner tear duct. And then as you can see, it kind of blended with the Milani blush, and it just looked so pretty. So one of the troubles about filming in front of a window is clouds are gonna try you. And the clouds definitely tried me and messed up my lighting, but I got it back. So I'm applying that same Marshmellow shade on the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, and my brow bone. So now I'm just taking a makeup remover and I'm cleaning off all of the foundation and powders that got on my lips. And I'm just prepping for lipstick. So now I'm just lining my lips with the Morphe brown lip liner in the shade Vibes. I love a brown lip liner. Like, it just makes your lips look so full, especially when you have like a nice gloss to go on top of it. It just makes your lips so like plump and juicy. Very cute look. And now for the lip, I'm taking the NYX Slip Tease Full Color Lip Gloss, and this is in the shade Sandalwood. When I first got these at Ulta, I thought it was a matte lipstick. I had got this shade and a magenta color, and when I put on the magenta color and I saw that it was a gloss, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to try the other shade as well. But then I saw that it was like a coral color, and I don't really wear coral colors on my lips, so I was a little skeptical, but then I definitely warmed up to it. Like, it came out so pretty. But these Slip Tease lip glosses by NYX, I'm about to stack up on them, and these are going to be my lip glosses for the spring summer because they're just so pretty, so pigmented, and they're not sticky, which is a plus. And here you have the final look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.